In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color in Google Sheets based on value. If you've ever wanted to make your data more visually engaging or easier to analyze at a glance, conditional formatting is the perfect tool for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to highlight specific information in your spreadsheet quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First, we need to access Google Sheets. Open your browser and navigate to Google Sheets. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're logged in, either open an existing spreadsheet that you wish to enhance with conditional formatting, or create a new one from scratch. After your spreadsheet is open, let's explore how to make it more dynamic with some color. Our goal today is to use conditional formatting, a fantastic feature in Google Sheets that changes the appearance of your cells based on their contents. This is especially useful for emphasizing high values, tracking progress, or simply making your data more readable. To start, locate the Format tab at the top of your Google Sheets window. Click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options, but the one we're interested in is Conditional Formatting. When you select this option, a new sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen, and this is where the magic happens. For this demonstration, let's assume you have a column of numerical data and you're interested in highlighting cells with values greater than 20. This could be practical for identifying outstanding sales figures or monitoring temperatures, just to name a couple of examples. Within the sidebar, you'll notice a section labeled Format Cells If. This is where we define the condition that determines which cells will be formatted a certain way. Click on the drop-down menu beside it and choose Greater Than, because we're focusing on values exceeding 20. Next, you'll need to enter the number 20 into the space provided. This action tells Google Sheets to apply the formatting only to those cells which contain numbers above 20. Moving along, beneath the input field, there's an option titled Formatting Style. Here, you can customize how these highlighted cells appear. You might decide on a bright green fill or a bold red text to catch your eye, whatever hue best fits your needs and preferences. Once you've selected your desired style, click Done and watch your spreadsheet transform. And there you have it. Your Google Sheets are now equipped with color-coded data, helping you spot trends and important figures much quicker. Don't hesitate to experiment with different conditions and styles to discover the perfect setup for your data needs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy